Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we'll talk about videos. Videos are becoming more and more popular to use in online stores, and there's a good reason for that. They are effective in showcasing the product, they help capture the attention of visitors and add social proof to your store. So, where can you use videos apart from the obvious hero banner section? I'll now show you 5 fresh ideas to use video content in your Shopify store. Then I'll show you how to replicate these examples. So let's dive right in. Our first example is a hero banner. This is classic. Displaying a video in the hero banner of your store is an excellent bottom-up, attention-grabbing technique that will instantly capture the focus of your visitors. Here, you can show a video of your product in action, or you can let your customers have a peek at your new collection. And the banner can be full screen or split. The next example is product pages. Using videos along with images on product pages allows you to present your product from various angles or to show how it works more effectively, which will likely improve your credibility with customers. The third example is a promo collage. Most stores only use static images and text in this section, but by adding a video, you can make it dynamic and even more attention-grabbing. Here you can show different variants of your product, your best sellers, or even the results your product brings. Our next example is the Hotspot section. You can use videos in the pins to provide more information about your products. For example, you can zoom in on the product to draw attention to some details, or better show the material the product is made of. The last example we're talking about is the gallery section. Here you can display your social media posts like Reels or TikToks, or even video testimonials from your customers. This will increase your social proof and promote customer engagement. We've now come to our tutorial. I'll demonstrate how to add videos to each one of the sections I've mentioned using the Aurora theme. One last thing before we delve into the tutorial. I recommend choosing videos that weigh between 3 and 10 megabytes or that are about 10 seconds long for your autoplay videos for optimal results. And now, on to the tutorial. First, I'm going to show you how to add a video to the hero banner section of your store. This is the final result, and this is the video in action. And now, on to the theme editor. I'm now going to add an identical section below this one. First, I'm going to select the video from my Shopify database. I'm going to click Select Video and select my video from here. Obviously, I have uploaded this video to the content section of my Shopify admin beforehand. Let me show you where it is. This is the content section, and here are my video files. With this section, you can also display external videos. Shopify supports video from YouTube or Vimeo. Make sure to add a cover for your video in case the video doesn't load or you don't have autoplay turned on. For Shopify hosted videos, you will find the cover here. You click Edit, and here you can add or change the cover image. Whereas for external videos, you'll be able to upload your cover image here down below. Here you can select an image. Always add alternative text for your videos to help customers using screen readers and to make your Shopify store more accessible. Here is where you can add alternative text for Shopify hosted videos. Here is the field. And down here you will find the corresponding field for external videos. Now I'm going to disable the controls. I don't want any controls on my video. And last but not least, I'm going to enter my own text for the video cover. And that's it. My video section is ready. Here you can see it in action. And now on to the next example. I'm now going to show you how to display videos on your product pages. This is a featured product section which fully imitates the product page, and you have seen what the video looks like on it. Now let's go set this up. Now I'm going to select the product I need from my Shopify database. Here is my product. I'm going to click select. I have added the video to the product media in the product settings beforehand. Let me show you how you can do that. This is the product section in my Shopify admin, and this, as you can see, is my product. And here I have the video among the product media. Now I'm going to enable autoplay for this one. And as you can see here, there is an option called scale video. This allows you to make the video perfectly fit within the container, which is a very handy setting. And after a couple small adjustments to the paddings, we are done. Let's move on to the next example. We're now going to incorporate videos into a collage. The section we need is called images with text. You won't find this kind of layout just in any theme. You can find this section in premium themes like Aurora. I'm now going to select a video for each one of my image blocks. So I'm going to click on the first one. I'm going to click select video and search for my video, which is this one. Now I'm going to do the same for the remaining blocks. Once that is done, I'm going to enter my own text and adjust its size. And we are done. And we have come to the hotspot section. Here I have my pins. This is one, and this is another one with another video. Let's see how to set this up. First, I'm going to add a background image and position my pins. I have chosen an image with text type of block, and now I'm going to select my video. And here it is. This is the video within my Hotspots pin, and we are done with this section as well. Now on to the next example. For our last example, we're going to display videos in the gallery section. In this case, we're using the gallery section to feature some of our Instagram posts. I have already created the section, and I have added some static images and one of the videos. I'm now going to show you how to add the second one. So I'm going to click on the image block, and I'm going to select the video from my database. Here is my video. I'm going to click done. Here I have entered the link to the corresponding post on my Instagram account, and I have selected the Instagram icon that people are going to see when they hover over the video. And that's it. My gallery section is complete. That concludes our tutorial. Now go be creative with videos on your Shopify store.